doing what you are doing today in less than a year. Teachers, for the last 10 years, you have been in prison. Ukweli ama uongo? Your Excellency, these teachers have been in prison for the last 10 years. And today, they are walking into freedom because you are going to give them something that is going to make them very happy. Your Excellency, as the chair of ECD and vocational training in the Kisii County Assembly, I'm a very happy man. Muko na furaha? Waswahili wanasema hayawi 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 hayawi. Number 2, Your Excellency, even when we celebrate today, I wish to let you know that the teachers of ECD in Kisii County are not yet enough. We have schools in our county which do not have a single ECD teacher employed by the county. And this has made the work of the teachers on the ground very difficult. Tunatafuta pesa kidogo, Your Excellency, wewe pamoja na sisi kama MCAs, so that we are able to employ more teachers, so that they are able to serve our teachers at the grassroots. Thirdly and lastly, walimu leo muko na furaha. Naona muko na furaha nyingi. Tafadhali, when you go back to our stations, iyo furaha iweke sana katika mafundisho ya watoto wetu. Itakuwa sawa sawa hivyo? Give back to the governor what he has done to you by working hard so that we are able to produce good children, because tomorrow, our tomorrow lies in those young children that we teach in our schools. Simba ninki? Simba ninki? Wasema neke we? Etaya. Ni wangapi hapa wana support governor wetu? Wacha nione. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nataka nimalizie hapo. Tulikimbia kutoka Kisumu. Tumetoka Kisumu saa hii. Na Your Excellency, I think baada ya speech yako tutaondoka tena turudi Kisumu. Thank you very much. Mungu awabariki sana.
Asante Chairman. Your Excellency, when we communicate with the Public Service Board, we do it through our account secretary who sits in your office. And I want to take this opportunity to
enter as the Master of Ceremony. My name is Ombasa Robert, the Acting County Secretary. And Your Excellency, today is a big day. I know that these teachers here, the ECD teachers, have had a long journey. I've been around. I know they have been knocking in the office of the governor so that they are taken in as permanent and pensionable. As one of the speakers has said here, we want to thank you because you have made them realize their dreams. Being taken as a permanent and pensionable teacher is, I think, one of the things that was in their mind and have made them realize this. As our CEC education has said, there has been a series of correspondence between the County Secretary's office and that of the County Public Service Board. And I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that the County Public Service Board, since you gave the direction, has worked tirelessly to ensure that this day comes when these teachers are given their permanent and pensionable appointment. So I want to thank them so much. I also want to thank the teachers themselves for their patience. That wanasema mvumilivu ufanya nini? Mvumilivu la mbivu. Kwa hivyo leo nafikiri mtakula mbivu na Mungu azidi Public Service Board, who will give his remarks and also introduce his commissioners and the board. Asanteni.
Excellency, members of the County Assembly, partners and stakeholders present, CECs present, chief officers and staff, and distinguished teachers, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Your Excellency, before I say something, a point or two, allow me to introduce the team that worked with me tirelessly to make this day a success. We had the Secretariat, Your Excellency, and I request them to stand up wherever they are. These are the people who did so much. The Secretariat, the sub-coordinators who were there at that time, who formed part of the 5 panels that interviewed the teachers. I tell you, asante sana. But I apologize, Your Excellency, because I pushed them extremely hard. It was not my wish. It was because of these honorable teachers. Thank you. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce my board members so that and the teachers, because they did a lot of work during this process. Remember, Your Excellency, we had just a month and we said in January. I guess today is January. Thank you. Thank you. Rise up, commissioners. Kindly rise up. This lady here, anaitwa Madam Victoria Masese, the Vice Chair from South Mogrango. Mogrango muko? Muko. Next to her is Dr. Silas Ayunga, representing Bomachoge. Bomachoge muko? Thank you. Jared Omoyo, representing Bonchari. This lady, anaitwa Madam Jane Nyabuto, representing the entire county, but I come from Nyaribari. Nyaribari muko happy? Thank you. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity first of all to thank all of you for making it to this place, to actually witness history in the making. As a board, Your Excellency, we are proud to be part of this history. Your Excellency, the teachers appeared before us, and I want to confirm that we well educated and experienced. Your Excellency, you have the in front of you here. You see so many big envelopes written in Kisii County government. I don't need to say more. Your Excellency, we want to appreciate that as a board, we got ample time. We did that which we were supposed to do. Your Excellency, there are those we didn't qualify. They had integrity issues, so we were very thorough. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to appreciate you for initiating this process that has culminated into this exercise that we are about to commence doing, giving the letters. Your Excellency, I know you have the interests of the teachers at heart and also the entire government. Since we have finalized issues of EC teachers, Your Excellency, we will quickly embark on all other pending issues across departments of government so that the ship stabilizes. Now that the teachers will be translated into permanent and pensionable, that calls for bigger responsibilities from you teachers. Request to you is to better your best. Before I forget this, allow me to say now you are no longer a teacher at that place where you have been. You will be now transferable, and all matters related to that will be handled by the Minister for Education. Kwa hivyo ukisukuma kidogo usilie sana. Because as we said, to whom much is given, much is expected. Your Excellency, without wasting more time, allow me to leave there and thank you one more time for allowing us to do the job. All is well. Na mbele iko sawa. Ayawi. Musema kesho ni mwongo. Thank you very much.